everyone, and welcome back to English Pod Up. I'm Emma, your English teacher. Today, we are going to learn how to handle customer service conversations in English.
Hello, everyone. I'm Leo. I'm excited to learn practical phrases to talk with customers confidently.
Before we start, please subscribe to English Pod Up. Like this episode and share it with your friends. Your support helps us create more useful English lessons.
Yes, thank you for supporting English Pod Up. It really helps.
Let's begin with greetings in customer service. When you answer a call or meet a customer, you can say,
Good morning, this is Leo from customer support. How can I help you today? Hello, how may I assist you? Good afternoon. Thank you for calling our company. Welcome to our store. How can I help you?
Let's practice a short dialogue for greetings.
Good morning, Emma. I need some help with a product.
Good morning, Leo. How can I assist you today?
I want to ask about the warranty of this item.
Great. Now let's practice asking for details politely.
You can say, Can you tell me more about this product? Could you explain how this service works? May I ask a few questions? Do you have information about this item? Can you tell me more about this product? Could you explain how this service works? May I ask a few questions about the delivery?
Dialogue example.
Emma, I have a question about your online service.
Sure, Leo. What would you like to know?
How long does delivery usually take?
It usually takes 3 to 5 business days. You can track it online too.
Thank you. That helps a lot.
Next, let's practice offering help and giving solutions.
You can say, I can help you with that. Let me explain how to solve this. We can fix this issue together. I suggest this option for you. Here is what we can do. I can help you with that. Let me show you how. We can fix this issue together. I suggest you try this method.
Dialogue example.
Emma, my order has not arrived yet.
I'm sorry, Leo. We can check it together. Please give me your order number.
Sure, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Thank you. I checked and it will arrive tomorrow. I apologize for the delay.
Thank you for helping me. That is very clear.
Now, let's practice handling complaints politely.
You can say, I'm sorry to hear that. I understand your concern. Let me see how I can help. We will resolve this as soon as possible. Thank you for your patience. I'm sorry to hear that. I understand your concern. Let me see how I can help. Thank you for your patience.
Dialogue example.
Emma, my package is damaged. I am not happy.
I'm sorry to hear that, Leo. We will send a replacement immediately. Thank you for your patience.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Next, let's practice asking for confirmation and repeating information.
You can say, Can you please confirm your address? Could you repeat your order number? Let me make sure I have all the details correct. Is this information correct? Can you spell your name for me, please? Can you please confirm your address? Could you repeat your order number? Is this information correct?
Dialogue example.
Emma, can you confirm my address for delivery?
Yes, Leo. Your address is 123 Main Street, correct?
Yes, that is correct.
Good. Now let's practice closing the conversation politely.
You can say, Thank you for calling. Have a nice day. We appreciate your business. If you have more questions, please call us again. Goodbye and take care. Thank you for calling, Emma. Have a nice day. Goodbye and take care.
Dialogue example.
Thank you for your help, Emma. I will call again if needed.
You're welcome, Leo. We appreciate your business. Have a great day.
Now let's practice a full conversation from start to finish.
Okay. Hi, Leo. Good morning. How can I help you today?
Good morning, Emma. I have a question about my recent order.
Sure. Can you tell me your order number?
Yes, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I noticed it is delayed.
I'm sorry for the delay, Leo. Let me check. Your package will arrive tomorrow.
Thank you. I was worried about it.
I understand, Leo. Thank you for your patience. Is there anything else I can help you with?
No, that's all. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome, Leo. We appreciate your business. Have a great day.
Thank you, Emma. Goodbye.
And thank you to all our listeners. Please subscribe to English Pod Up, like this episode, and share it with your friends. Keep practicing English in customer service conversations.
Yes, keep practicing. It will help you speak confidently. Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye.